This bathroom has been completely transformed to a coastal yet contemporary style. It has so many beautiful details and also some big statement pieces, like these stone vessel sinks to these giant round mirrors, and then of course, our freestanding tub. It's really the ultimate master bath retreat, and it all came together with the help of Build.com.
I was really excited to work on this spa vibe bathroom. The first thing I suggested was a freestanding vessel tub. A freestanding vessel tub is a statement piece that adds an element of luxury to any bathroom. It's also a great alternative to a traditional alcove tub if you have a shower stall. The next thing to consider is whether to use a wall-mounted tub filler or a floor-mounted tub filler. After discussing the project further, I suggested going with this tub filler with a hand shower. The style matches the tub perfectly, and the functionality of the hand shower is great for bathing, washing a dog, or just cleaning the tub. No matter what you're working on, Build.com has everything you need to bring your project to life.